Hey, this is Dallas with Critical Hit Pest Management, and I'm at a customer's house, and we're dealing with a rat issue. And it's really interesting. I wanted to show you a little bit of what a rat infestation can really look like. This is a dishwasher here. I've already pulled out this bag of Hawaiian rolls, and you can see the rat droppings right there. So I'm gonna pull the rest of this open, and we're gonna see what's behind this. I guarantee you. Well, I can already promise you that they're nesting inside of here. So let's pull this out. Also, one other thing. Check this out. They actually chewed through the back end of the dishwasher here. So the rats are nesting up inside of here, and then they're nesting inside of here and chewing the back end of the dishwasher. So we'll pull it out. A good video. This is a good video right here. This is what homeowners don't want to see. Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
She got a stash.
Look at all that. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Look at all that back there. Yeah, that's a rat infestation. 100%. Wow. Jeez. Those drop-ins. Yeah. That's insane. Look at all that. On top of the dishwasher.
Wow. We just threw it outside, but that's trash.
Okay, so this right here, all this brown that you see right in here, this is the sebum mark that is off the rat. So they have oil that they naturally excrete off their fur, and when they run back and forth, as you can tell, this rat was going up behind this dishwasher and living behind this dishwasher. They left that brown marking there, and if you see that on the exterior of your house or the interior of your house, that's what that is. It's called sebum, and it's the oil that they secrete off the back. They use that as a marker to understand that they've been in the area before. But this rat was getting underneath the baseboard here and underneath the sink, coming up from the crawl space, and then nesting behind the cavity well of this dishwasher. So there you go.